Did you know that ABB Installation Products offers a complete line of motor lead disconnects for 600 volts and 5 kV applications? Our color-keyed motor lead disconnects offer numerous advantages over conventional motor lead connectors. Plant electricians point out the installation of motor lead disconnects can be done much quicker than the wire lug connector and tape method. But don't just take our word for it.
Everyone's looking for a way to innovate to save money and time. It's a way to be able to get a motor in and out, test it without having to unstrip, uncrimp, and unbolt things. Straightforward product that just, it is what it is. Time saving, money saving, energy saving.
You can see that the time savings is clear. Save time and money by switching to ABB's color-keyed motor lead disconnects for your installations.